Now let us plunge into the new topic, that is geothermal energy. According to the word, you know that geo means earth. Inside the earth crust, whatever heat energy is produced is called geothermal energy. Now the question arises, how this heat energy is produced inside it? Inside the earth crust, minerals are there. The mineral contains sometimes radioactive material. Note down, sometimes radioactive material. Because of the fission of this radioactive material, heat energy is produced inside the earth crust. Because of this fission, whatever radioactive material divides, and because of this division, heat energy is produced, and because of this heat energy, we can get this type of energy known as geothermal energy. Okay, and from the geothermal energy, the inside the earth, that is in the rock, surrounding area of the rock becomes hot. And suppose the rock contains water, surrounding rock, and inside it there is water in between the panel or a rock, then this water become also hot. So in some region of our country as well as in another country, you have seen sometimes hot water spring. The hot water which comes out from the earth, as for example Tulsi Shyam in Junagadh Gir forest. Here it contains hot water. Okay, hot water comes out from certain region. So with the help of this hot water, we can produce heat energy, as well as we can convert the heat energy into electrical energy. So we can say that what is the advantage of this geothermal energy? Then you can say that it is quite economical. Economical means what? Whatever cost you spend for your conventional sources of energy, that is LPG, CNG, petrol, etc. Okay, the same cost you can use here and you can get this type of energy. Another advantage is what? The waste is pollution free. The mainly two advantage, you have to write it or elaborate this topic. Disadvantage is what? It is not available in every part of the earth. It is not easily available. If you found that this type of energy inside the earth crust, then to take out the energy from the earth, it is quite difficult and also expensive, right? So use of this energy, use of the energy is expensive and difficult to explore it technically. Technically, it is very difficult to explore, to find out, do drilling, and then heat energy comes out. It is quite expensive as well as it is difficult. Now the second is nuclear energy. The most powerful energy in today's era, that is called nuclear energy. You know that in the nucleus, proton and neutron bounded with each other with certain force of attraction. This energy is known as nuclear energy. Two types of nuclear energies are there. Nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Nuclear fission means to break, and fusion means to join. Opposite are each other. Okay, so when radioactive material or heavy element like uranium breaks down, then it produces small another two element. Moreover, 2 to 3 neutrons are also produced. One heavy element as for example uranium, when neutron is bombarded on it, neutron in the atomic reactor, when neutron is bombarded onto this heavy element uranium, then it divides into two parts. Okay, suppose X and Y are the parts of this uranium. Moreover, 2 to 3 neutrons are also produced. When this 2 to 3 neutron bombarded on this, then once again it divides another 2 to 3 neutrons here and 2 to 3 neutrons here also produced. Okay, suppose this is A part, B part, C part, D part. Once again the same thing or same chain going occur continuously. This is called chain reaction. If chain reaction is done in the atomic reactor, which means atomic reactor, that means in the controlled manner, then tremendous amount of heat energy is produced and we can use this heat energy and we can convert this heat energy into any other type of energy, whatever you like. Okay? Tremendous amount of heat energy is produced. But if this type of chain reaction is not done in atomic reactor, but if it is done in atmosphere, environment, then it damages the environment, then it damages the atmosphere, and also many living organisms can destroy. As for example, atom bomb, nuclear bomb, that we said that. Okay, during war, countries use this type of weapons, and so because of this, many artificial calamities arises. So this is the nuclear fission. Tremendous amount of energy is produced, but it is dangerous, right? Means use of nuclear energy is important. How we use it. Fusion is what? Just like the sun, as you have learned that 4 hydrogen atom combines to form 1 helium atom in the sun. Because of the fusion, tremendous amount of heat energy is also produced. So 4 hydrogen atom combines and form 1 helium atom plus tremendous amount of heat energy used. This heat energy is used to produce different type of energy, and that's why fusion is better than that of the fission. Fission, it is very dangerous. You have to do it very carefully, otherwise it causes cancer also in the atomic reactor, or in the nature. If it blast, then you know havoc can create. Okay, but fusion is the best nuclear option. So during fusion reaction, tremendous, more than that of these, more amount of heat energy is produced than that of the nuclear fission. But once again, it is the disadvantage of both is what? Both should use handled with care. Okay, both, this is the dangerous, this is also less dangerous because nuclear is there. So both this fission and fusion should be done in controlled manner under the proper observation of scientists. Otherwise, simple leakage can cause tremendous death. Okay, this is about nuclear energy.